Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Syncwire USB-C charger with power delivery. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this supports PD or power delivery. It's 18 watts. It has protection circuitry. So here we have the charger. Here's a user guide. So this has information on the warranty, some safety things, and some compliance things in there. Peel off the protective film. So here's an Apple phone charger for comparison in size. So it's only slightly bigger, but this can charge 3 times faster. So you have a single USB-C port on here. Okay, so let's plug this in here. So I've connected up my iPhone 13 mini. Okay, so we can see on the power meter, it's 9.17 volts at 1.6 amps. And it says, okay, and it just jumped up there. So here you can see it's going like 10 and 15 watts. So the less charge you have in your device, the faster it's going to charge. Once it gets up towards full, it's going to slow down. So here you can see it's about 16.1 amps. It's just jumping around quite a bit. So you can also charge devices like a Nintendo Switch. So for that, you'd want a cable like this. So this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So I'll plug that in. And here we're getting 12.1 volts at 1.27 amps and around 15.58 watts. So I could charge other devices with this. I have a USB Type-C cable here, so I can charge a GoPro. So I have a GoPro here, plug that in, and that is charging. And here I have a thermal camera, so that is charging. So there are many devices these days that use USB Type-C, so you could use this adapter with this, and you could charge like a lot of Android phones and tablets also, or many mice, keyboards. There's lots of devices that use this kind of adapter for charging. So that's the Syncwire 18 watt USB-C charger that supports power delivery. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.